How to stay motivated in school. Can we trick ourselves into staying motivated in school? Well, let's keep watching to find out. As part of the overall approach to classroom management, motivation plays a key role for both teachers and students. In this video, we will look at how to stay motivated by offering 5 ways to help staying positive and move forward with your motivation and success in school. The 5 ways are understanding the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, finding your purpose, dealing with mistakes, setting goals, and planning to stay motivated. Understanding the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. First of all, what is motivation? It is what pushes you to get something done. This push can come from internal personal emotions and feelings, or it can come from the need to gain an external reward, or both. What is intrinsic motivation? It is the push you give yourself because you have attached personal feelings and emotions to finding rewards and/or success that may not matter to anyone else but you. An example of this would be earning a teaching degree in school because of how much you love to help others. What is extrinsic motivation? It is the push you give yourself because you have attached personal needs to finding rewards that help you gain other rewards or to demonstrate to others that you can find success. An example of this would be earning a medical degree in school because of how much you can make as a doctor. Finding your purpose for motivation. In finding your purpose for motivation, it is important to consider balancing between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. The question you need to answer before you can push yourself to do anything is, why? Why am I going to push myself to get this done? Students and motivation. For students in elementary school and high school, the motivation is mostly extrinsic as they search or ask for external rewards to help keep their motivation high. However, these students are often the ones complaining about school. It's the students who value intrinsic motivation when it comes to school that are the ones who really enjoy success. Teachers and motivation. It is true to say that the best teachers in the world, and the ones students remember the most, are more intrinsically motivated than extrinsically motivated. Teacher candidates soon discover that if they enter the teaching field for their summers off, or if they are looking for the teaching field to complement their lives, they are in the wrong career. Teaching is and always has been a career of service, and as with other service careers, the motivation to stay and to help others succeed has to come from within, and priceless rewards matter more than any other external rewards. Just as no one likes to visit the doctor who really didn't want to be a doctor, no one wants to learn from a teacher who really doesn't want to be a teacher. Teaching should never be seen as the filler career, the one that you take while you are looking for your real career in life. Dealing with mistakes. If anything kills motivation, it is making mistakes. Life is not perfect and therefore not without mistakes. If we let the fear of making mistakes stand in the way of teaching or learning, then we really limit our motivation to get things done. Instead, let's accept the fact that we can make mistakes and that in doing so, we can learn much more instead of making us want to quit. The key is to remember not to keep making the same mistake over and over again. Setting goals. To help our motivation to get things done easier, the first thing we need to do is set goals for ourselves. Setting goals helps us to value the reward that comes with meeting that goal. For example, when at home, set a goal to make a routine for yourself to help you with studying or planning your lesson plans for the next day. Planning to stay motivated. Planning to stay motivated means you plan and organize your day to help you stay motivated from the time you wake up to the time you go to sleep. Seeing your activities laid out for you on paper or on your mobile phone can motivate you to do what is right for you while again being that influencing factor in someone else's life. But again, plan with purpose and with goals in mind that are within reach. Nothing kills motivation more than a missing purpose or goals that are too hard to reach. Motivating yourself really does work in finding simple ways to make the day more exciting. If you try these 5 simple ways to help you build your motivation with teaching and learning, you would also work to build your confidence and enthusiasm for teaching and learning as well. Final thoughts. Finding your motivation in life may not be easy. However, we all need it to help us get up in the morning and feel like we've accomplished something during the day. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below on our motivation in schools. For more educational videos from Education Recipes for Learning, please like, share, and subscribe to Education Recipes for Learning. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.